AutoCAD 2027 introduces connected references, a powerful new feature designed to preserve Xref integrity for drawings stored in Forma data management. Traditionally, when external reference files are moved or renamed, those links can break, leading to missing references, manual relinking, and lost time. Connected References solves this by intelligently maintaining the association between host drawings and their external files. If a reference file is relocated or renamed, AutoCAD automatically detects the change and proactively suggests repairs directly within the Xref palette. This streamlined workflow significantly reduces manual effort, minimizes interruptions, and improves overall performance when working with complex reference drawings. This result is a more resilient, efficient, and reliable experience for teams managing connected design data.